What's up, guys? Got a major monster CGC order here, 25 book modern order. Haven't opened the box yet, so we're going to open it together and see what we got. Either it's going to be a major disappointment or a major win, one or the other. We'll see. Alright, guys, I just got the box open. CGC has actually changed their boxes. They used to have a big insert on the top, but they don't anymore. Alright, so we're going to start from the back and go forward. So let's see. We have got What If Venom Deadpool 9.6. Was really hoping for a 9.8 on this book. It's a pretty hot book. 9.6. Alright, we've got, let's see what this one is. Silk number 1. 9.8. This is going to be a hot character, I believe. Alright, we have got, Batman Adventures 12 in a 9.4. Was really hoping for a 9.8 on this book. This is about the 12th one that I've submitted, and I've never gotten a 9.8. Actually, that is number 12. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. We got Invincible Iron Man Hip Hop variant, 9.8. That's a cool book. Those hip hop variants have really taken off in the last couple months. They've gained a lot of steam. Let's see, we have got Silk number 1, 9.6 hip hop variant. This is a hot book too. We got Soggy Ojimbo Summer Special number 1, 8.5. This is a tough book to find. There couldn't have been that many of them printed. I kind of thought it'd come back a 9.2, but looks like that spine tick there cost me pretty good. So 8.5 on that one. We got Miracle Man number 1, 9.0. This one I was really thinking was 9.4. Looks like it's got a couple of wrinkles on there that probably cost me a pretty good bit. We got Batgirl number 50, 9.8. Last issue. I believe this is a first appearance. And I've noticed with CGC, if you submit books too quickly, a lot of times they won't list the first appearance on the label. But then the ones that get submitted later end up with the first appearance listed on the label. Alright, we've got Fantastic Four Antithesis number 2, which is the first full appearance of Antithesis. And this is the Ross Virgin variant cover. That's a neat cover. CGC was tough on this order, it looks like. A lot tougher than I thought they were going to be. Alright, we got Something is Killing the Children number 1, 9.8. This is the 4th printing. This has got to be the hottest title on the planet right now. I mean, this book is, it's on fire. And there's actually several of that title in here. Let's see, we have got number 2, 9-6. It's amazing the difference between 9-6 and 9-8. I mean, sometimes it's just indistinguishable. We've got number 3 and 9-8. We got number 5 and 9-8. Got another monster here that it looked like I took a major hit on. Got Batman Adventures 12 and a 9.0. So this is the 13th copy of this book that I have submitted, and I have never gotten a 9.8 on. I knew one of these wouldn't be because it's got a pretty good spine tick on the back, but I thought sure it would get a 9.4. We got number 7 and a 9.4. They were tough on this order. We got number 6 and a 9.8. And this is the first print. We got number 8 and 9.8. We got number 9 and 9.8. We got number 10 and 9.6. We got number 11 and 9.8. We got number 12 and 9.6. I had one of these in the last order. We got a Simpsons number 1 and 9.6. It's interesting on this label too. It says pull out poster flip book. $1.95 edition does not include poster. Forward by Matt Groening. Not sure why they put that on there since this includes the poster and it's not the $1.95 issue. We got Philadelphia number 1 and 9.6. We got 4 kids walk into a bank in 9/8. This is the Reservoir Dogs cover from the Quentin Tarantino movie. It's a pretty cool cover. I believe they're making a Netflix or Amazon show of that. And last but not least, we got a major hit here. We got Web of Spider-Man 118, 7.5. I'm not sure how this book got a 7.5, but it did. That's the first Scarlet Spider. So, alright, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Let us know what we can do to make better ones.